Hello, my name is Melissa Skilder. I'm the Low-Income Taxpayer Clinic Director for Southeastern Ohio Legal Services, and I'm going to talk to you about the Earned Income Tax Credit. What is the Earned Income Tax Credit, or the EITC? It's a work credit that may give you money back at tax time or lower the amount of taxes that you owe. You can claim the credit whether you are single or married, whether you have children or not. The thing is, you must earn money from a job or self-employment, and those earnings must be less than the limits set for the credit. How does it work? You file a tax return reporting your income and claim the credit. The amount you qualify for is based on the amount you earned and the number of children you can claim for the credit. The credit will first go to pay any tax due on your income. If the EITC is more than what you owe in taxes, the rest of the credit is paid to you as part of your tax refund. Are you eligible for the EITC? Let's take a look. As I said, you need to work and earn income. You need a valid taxpayer identification number. This means that you need a social security number that permits you to work. If you have a spouse, they need one as well, and so do any children that you claim for the EITC. Any children that are claimed must be a qualifying child for the Earned Income Tax Credit. We have a separate video on that issue as it can be kind of complicated. There are other concerns regarding EITC eligibility. For 2021 only, childless workers can qualify for the EITC as long as they are 19 or older at the end of the year and not a full-time student. Full-time students must be at least 24 years old. Former foster youth and homeless youth are exempt from the full-time student rule, so they can qualify regardless of their student status. When it comes to filing status, you cannot claim the credit if you file married filing separately unless you can qualify to be treated as unmarried, which means you live separate and apart from your spouse from July 1st to December 31st of 2021 and you have a qualifying child. If you've been denied the credit in the past, you may need to file an additional form to verify your current eligibility. How much is the Earned Income Tax Credit? It depends. The credit depends on your income, marital status, and family size. In 2021, the credit is worth up to $6,728 for a family. The credit rises with earned income until it reaches a maximum amount and then gradually phases out. Families with more children are eligible for higher credit amounts. There's a special rule in place that's designed to help workers harmed by the COVID-19 crisis. If your income from 2021 is less than it was in 2019, you can elect to use your 2019 income amount for the calculation of the Earned Income Tax Credit. You will want to have your 2019 tax records available when your 2021 return is prepared, so you can see if this provision will result in a bigger refund for you. This may be particularly beneficial if you worked in 2019 but were out of work, worked less, or received mostly unemployment benefits as your income in 2021. If you've had problems with claiming the EITC, you may want to reach out to a low-income taxpayer clinic. These clinics can assist taxpayers with audits or examinations, help with IRS collections, and other IRS controversies. The contact information for Ohio clinics is provided in this chart. Those outside of Ohio can follow the link to the Taxpayer Advocate's website to find additional resources.